all, hope you're doing well. So today I'm here with 3 recipes of chicken fry. Let's get started. So this chicken fry was made the very next day I made the burgers. So had the leftover sauce and the curry sauce remaining. So just plan to add this in the chicken and make a chicken fry out of it. So I'll be sharing the link in the description box. It's making tandoori chicken kind something. So just try it out, and this was a short experiment, I can say. So no need of adding butter because the curry sauce I made had the butter in it, so no need to add extra butter. So I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now here I'm adding very less masalas as the sauce is quite spicy. Also you can add a little bit of Garam Masala to the mixture. You can also add a little bit of pepper powder too. I didn't add coriander powder. Instead that you can add a little bit of Meat Masala as the mint sauce had enough of coriander in it. Now this is Tandoori Masala I'm adding. This I bought from Carrefour from the masala section where we can get it in loose as per the weight we want. Now mix it all well and let it sit for around 1 to 2 hours. The longer be better. Actually I was supposed to add some yogurt too, but actually then I remembered that the sauce already have enough of yogurt, so no need to add that too. Just check out if the oil is hot enough and then add few curry leaves and 2 green chillies slated to it. Now this will give a very good flavor to the oil and the chicken fry will taste too good. Now start frying the chicken. Now also you can add a little bit of maida or corn flour to the chicken before frying it. Be sure that you don't overcrowd the kadai and let it fry nicely, and here's your chicken fry ready. It tasted good actually. Now if you want to make the sauce, you can see the link in description box. Now half of the chicken I fried and half of the marinade I kept in the freezer, and later on planned to make something different. So took it out, added it to a pan. Actually it got stick to the pan as it had a little bit of maida in it. So keep adding a little bit of butter to it, and you don't have to add anything else, just the chicken with the marinade. Keep mixing it. You can add a little bit of water and let it reduce. Now you can see the marinade has turned into a chicken gravy kind texture. So at this point you will add half a cup of cream to it and mix it well, and then again let reduce. Also you can add a little bit of kasuri methi, that's dried fenugreek leaves. As I told you all, it was just an experiment, so added a little bit of dry mango powder, that's amchur powder, to give that tangy taste. Now cleaning the edges as it became a little bit messy over there. Finally adding few coriander leaves chopped, actually handful of coriander leaves, and let it mix well. And here's your creamy chicken ready, I can say. Now I wanted to reduce it to a very masala kind texture, so reduced it more and added a little bit of Chat Masala to it, and it's done. Keep adding little butter at a time, and here's the texture you can see. Keep scraping the edges too, and here's your creamy chicken ready. Hope you all like it. So the third recipe was also an experiment, I can say. So into the chicken added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and also a little bit salt. Mix it well. Moving on to the masalas, firstly adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Also added little bit of black pepper powder. The next masala I'm adding is Lollipop chicken masala that was in my shelf that I got from India last year while coming back from the vacation. Now adding half a lemon juice, and that's it. So here I'm adding few curry leaves to the marinade and mix it well. I'm adding just to give a flavor. Check if the oil is hot enough and add few curry leaves to it and 2 to 3 green chillies slitted too. As you can see, the oil is hot enough. Now start adding the chicken. Now don't overcrowd the kadai. Add 3 to 4 pieces one by one, as this kadai is the small sized one, so added around 5 to 6 small chicken pieces at a time. Now here you can use tissue paper or the butter paper for the absorption of the oil from the chicken. Now I was out of butter paper, so use the tissue paper. So here you can see the chicken pieces are nice and done. So take it out and they are ready. Hope you all like the recipe. Do try all the recipes and let me know in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.